Say somebody is comfortable in a shoe size 9. Everyone else is not. Somebody may need a shoe size 6 or 7 or 8. Likewise, there is no hard and fast rule that your body requires a minimum of 8 glasses of water in a day. Welcome to FitTab. You're watching Healthy Living with Sharan. I'm Sharmila Kannan and I'm associated with Sharan as a holistic health coach. Today's topic is how much of water does the human body require? We in India already have so much of information about water, right? We have had elders in the family who keep telling us don't drink water while standing, sit down and drink water and take it sip by sip, don't gulp it down, don't drink too hot or too cold, etc. So let's add some more information to the information we already have. The requirement of water in the human body is dependent upon several factors. Some of them are like the climatic conditions of the area where you live, your own diet, your own individual requirement, and also whether you are on medicines or not. We've all noticed that we feel thirstier during summers and we consume lesser water during winters. People who live in cold countries already have a very low requirement for water. Secondly, it depends from individual to individual. Say somebody is comfortable in a shoe size 9. Everyone else is not. Somebody may need a shoe size 6 or 7 or 8. Likewise, there is no hard and fast rule that your body requires a minimum of 8 glasses of water in a day. Depends. Somebody may feel fine in 5 glasses a day, somebody may require 6, somebody may require 7, somebody may even require 9. Then it depends upon your diet. If you're having roti sabzi in the morning, cooked food that is, and roti sabzi in the afternoon, and again dal chawal or roti sabzi in the evening, then your body's requirement of water really goes up to digest that, to eliminate the food, etc. If you are on a whole food plant-based diet, that is, your morning starts with a glass of green smoothie, a bowl of fruits, and then in place of the lunch or the dinner, one meal you have a plate of salads. Trust me, your body's requirement for water will go down because the fruits and vegetables that you are consuming have ample supply of water. Even though it may seem a bit unbelievable in the beginning, but you will notice that you are feeling less thirsty. You are feeling full and satiated for a longer time. You don't want water at all. So you can drink water actually when you're thirsty, eat food when you're hungry. The requirement of water is met by the fruits and vegetables that you're taking. Then, if you are on medication, again, your body's requirement for water goes up really. If you're free of medicines, then your body's requirement for water comes down. Another thing that we have to do is we have to start observing nature. How do the animals live and drink? They go to a water hole and they drink the water which is available there. It is neither hot nor cold. They drink it straight from there. We were also like that, although we have forgotten that along in time. Let's say that we are used to now drinking water straight from the fridge in plastic bottles. That is something that we should try to avoid. Nowadays, glass bottles are easily available. Try to keep water in a glass bottle in the fridge. Considering that we cannot really avoid keeping fridges at home, it may be very difficult for all of us to align ourselves to that kind of living. Some of us may be capable of doing, some of us may not. So at least try to keep water in a glass bottle. Another thing which you can try is that keep water in an earthen pot. You can select a comfortable corner in your house if you have that kind of space and keep water in that. If you feel that the water is not cold enough because you are coming from a past where you were used to drinking fridge water, right? So you can keep a cardboard box high enough to keep a bit of sand in that and keep the earthen pitcher at least half buried in sand. So the temperature of water in the pot is equal to your body's temperature. That's how nature has designed us, and we can safely drink that water. Fridge water is really cold, and water kept in a plastic bottle takes in the chemicals which are there in the plastic. Water kept in an earthen pitcher takes the minerals that are present in the mud, and that is really beneficial for your body. That's something that all of us should try to do. Let us keep a fridge if we cannot completely avoid it, but at the same time we can try keeping water in a earthen pitcher also. Then another thing that we have to see and notice is that definitely one thing which is required is a shift towards a whole food plant-based diet so that your body's water requirements are met by the food itself. And then if your food habits are incorrect, really believe me, drinking water whether standing or sitting or gulping it down is not going to make much of a difference. You will be diseased because of the food habits you have, your daily lifestyle. Health will suffer and water consumption per se will not help. So try shifting to a whole food plant based lifestyle. Your body's water requirements are met by that. You will feel far healthier and requirements will come down. Thank you for visiting us on Healthy Living with Sharan.